This video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
Y'all, what is good with y'all? Welcome back to another video. See, I got my custom right now, and I'm with the big 63. It's Halloween day, so I'm about to give y'all some POV. Of course, like I mentioned, the big 63. The big 63. I'm about to give y'all some POV, all that. Quick walk around real quick though. Y'all see the whip. Halloween day, y'all. If y'all remember my first ever video. It was actually Halloween day as well, but I had a C43 at that time. Now I got a 63. Back then it was the V6, now it's the V8. I'm about to pop the hood for y'all, matter of fact. Alright, y'all. Big 63. That's right. Shout out Sasha Jonas. Like always, cat in the hat. I'm about to give y'all some revs right now. Alright then, y'all, cat in the hat. I'm about to give y'all some revs. I got my thing one in there, give me some revs, so here y'all go. We're about to get kicked out. We're about to get kicked out, y'all. Hit again, hit again, hit again. Alright, y'all, we're about to get out of this parking lot before we get kicked out. Alright then, y'all, so this little POV, nighttime Halloween. We about to get started. We'll go ahead and put you on sport. Y'all see right there, Sport Plus. Alright, so y'all done already seen my outfit, but we cutting up in the cat in the hat costume. Giving this POV for y'all. If y'all have ever watched my first official video on YouTube, it was actually filmed on Halloween day. First ever video was actually filmed on Halloween day, and now I just feel like I have to recreate it, so I'm back with the costume this time. And the new car, I got the 63. Last time, a year ago exactly, I was in a C43, y'all. In a C43, and now I'm blessed to be in a 63, y'all. Y'all dressed up for Halloween, let me know what y'all was for Halloween, because I'm actually cat in the hat. I don't think cat in the hat can handle this power, y'all.